Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 Mazda CX-9 Touring. This one's gray. Underneath the hood is a 3.7 V6. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. A black leather interior. Sunroof. Plenty of space in the rear. We've got rear climate controls. This one does come with a third row seating. Coming around back, we've got our CX-9 all-wheel drive badging. Opening up the tailgate. Clean set of floor mats, fold down third row seats, power liftgate. Coming alongside, this one does come with a keyless entry, power windows, Bose sound system, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Go ahead and start it up. Our media display, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission. This Mazda has 151,718 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Mazda, check out feldmanimports.com.